Hello Ashley, so let's see how we made this ciabatta bread. So it's going to be an easy recipe. We only need 4 ingredients and we're going to hardly need the dough. So here we go. What's the 4 ingredients? So we have flour, about 4 cups or 480 grams. We have 2 teaspoons of salt, which is about 8 grams, 3/4 of a teaspoon of instant dry yeast, which is about 3 grams, and about 14 ounces of water, room temperature. Okay, so we're just gonna put our water into the bowl. We're gonna add our yeast and our salt. Mix it and let it sit for 5 minutes. So now that it's set for 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and add our flour. And we're just gonna mix this until you get a clean dough and all the flour is pretty much incorporated to make that dough. So once you finish mixing and you form a dough like this, we're gonna go ahead and have this sit for an hour and just let it relax. Now it's been an hour, so we're gonna go ahead and fold the dough. We're just gonna fold it 4 times. I'm gonna take one side, fold, 1, fold again, 2, then the third one fold again, and then last one 4, fold again. Once you fold it 4 times, we're gonna let it sit again for another hour. So we're just gonna cover it up, let it sit and relax. Now it's sat for another hour. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna fold it 4 times. After you fold it, we're gonna go ahead and have it sit again for another half an hour. Cover and wait. So now we're gonna lightly dust our surface. We're gonna take our dough. And again, fold it 4 times. Cut it in half. We're gonna lightly dust it with flour and form a circle. Now transfer it on a baking sheet. We're going to preheat our oven at 410 degrees and we're gonna bake the bread for 30 minutes. Now our oven is ready, so we're gonna go ahead and put our bread in. So our bread is all ready. Let's take it out. Now we're just gonna let our bread sit out and relax for about half an hour before we cut into it. Now our bread is done. Let's cut into it. Let's give it a taste. Mmm.